Hello everyone, this is Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. Here comes round two of all the snow. I already shoveled out the driveway once. Now we got another, I don't know, about an inch. But it's coming down pretty good. I'm gonna go outside, or not outside, but I like to go out and shovel some snow, some sidewalks, make some money, make about $2,000. I'm just joking. I don't shovel snow for money. I used to when I was younger. Here comes a car around that corner. Could barely see it. Here it comes. Road's real slippery, so be careful, guys. Yeah. Well, at least they're driving slow, huh? I might have to come out and get my snow boots on and my gloves, my mask, shovel this driveway out again. Look at that. I miss summertime. Whew, it's cold. I'm cold. Well, here's my fishing pond. I don't have no fish in it yet, but maybe this summer I'll put some fish in that pond, huh? Yeah. I got an idea. Put some fish in the swimming pool. Look how bad this is. It's terrible, isn't it? Gotta clean that out this spring. I want to check out this creek. Damn cold. Yeah, I should have a fire, huh? Cut some of this wood up back there and have a nice fire. No, that's too wet. Can't remember if I showed you guys a stick or not earlier. Fell from the tree. Big limb. I remember when we was kids. Shouldn't tell you this, but remember when we was kids, when it snowed like this, we used to grab on people's bumpers and used to bumper ride. One time this car slid, hit me in my leg. Oh man, that hurt. Still did it. It was a lot of fun. I was younger, not now. Probably break my legs. Yeah, the road's real slippery, guys, so be careful. Yeah, I'm gonna go back inside, I think, pretty soon. I'm freezing, it's cold. Yeah, I took Lucy to the doctor, and she's been sick for about a week. They gave her some real strong antibiotics, so hopefully that'll help her. But they're like horse pills. They're real big, huge. Supposed to take them every 12 hours. So, well, this is Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for looking in, guys. I'm cold. I'm gonna go back inside. Well, thanks for looking in.